1 cup of wheat berries, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ cups of milk, half a cup of applesauce or oil if you'd like, 1 egg. Blend 1 cup of milk with the wheat berries for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the rest of the milk and blend for 2 minutes. Keep the blender going and add the remaining ingredients. Cook on a hot skillet or griddle. You can add vanilla, cinnamon, fruit, or other ingredients as desired.